Eric and Titus here with the Cranberry Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be finishing up our sanding job, and I'm going to explain to you why do we put sand on our bog. After that, oh, here's some sludge. I got a little distracted. Let's try that again.
We're gonna go like for a little campfire, and we'll see you when we're down there. It's gonna be lots of fun. We're gonna go in the snowmobile, and we're gonna go in the woods for some fun. Come along with us, and we'll have a great time.
Basically going from 8 until 6 o'clock, so we're full out all day. These machines, they go through some fuel, so we're giving them a good fuel top up right now. Takes a lot of fuel to keep an operation like this going. We're nearing the end of our sanding job. It's been going really well. We haven't had any breakdowns. We're topping up the tractor and we're topping up the excavator and the Maruka. We've got trucks coming in. You can see we're almost there. Some of the boxes get frozen up in the winter. The sand gets stuck to the inside. So I believe they use calcium, and they spray some calcium in there, and that keeps it from sticking. Oh my, this has been a nice long job of sanding. The sanding job is almost done. I'm looking forward to it. Then we can start getting to the next tasks that we have. Okay, there's the next truck. So I'm gonna get down. I'm gonna have to make sure he parks in the right spot, dumps his load, so I need to get those as close as I can to the excavator. I have a new respect for excavator operators and truck drivers. Sitting in a cab all day is not easy. It's just, you get groggy after a while. You get tired, especially when the sun's beating down on you. I find it really useful if you have a like a podcast or something you like to listen to. So when I started doing this, I was actually curious, why are we putting sand on our cranberry bogs? But there's a good explanation for that. Okay, so let's get back into it. So we put sand on our cranberry bog to rejuvenate the growing environment by providing better drainage and stimulating plant growth. Sanding helps suppress the certain insects populations by burying their eggs, or something called a pupae. Weed management, so a layer of sand can help to smother existing weeds and prevent new ones from establishing themselves. And then the most important is drainage. There's a misconception that cranberries grow in water. They don't. That is only at harvest time. Cranberries like a nice dry environment with a little bit of water here and there. The sand improves the drainage within the bog, which is crucial to prevent waterlogging. So you don't want your roots to be too wet. And anyways, I hope that explains it. Anyways, we're wrapping up now, so we have our sanding almost done. This is going to be the last video I make for sanding. My brother Nigel has some cheese curds ordered, so we're having a burger and poutine. I think so. Maybe once. Yeah, look at that poutine. So sometimes you just have to treat yourself. Okay, so we've had a long work week, and we're gonna go take a little snowmobile ride.
Today we're gonna go in the wood. We're gonna have a little fire, and we'll see you when we're down there.
Okay.
We're gonna go drive some snowmobiles. We're gonna cook some food, and we'll have a great time. Come on along with us, and we'll have a great time.
All right, let's go. pull. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
No.
Let's take this cover off.
What's this?
Whoa. We used to live in this old house. This is the fort Titus made when he was probably 5 years old.
This was my floor, and this right here was Camilla's floor. Well, Camilla says she loves it.
Put them in the back of the truck.
Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. When we're doing the video, please like and subscribe. So we can keep these videos coming out.
We found this old abandoned Volkswagen. I'm not sure what it is, a van? Jeez. This is the back of it.
Oh my god, it's freaking creepy in here. Don't see a key anywhere. Oh my god, this is freaking creepy.
Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah.
Huh?
We got everything.
Interesting. Good to see you on the trail.
I saw you driving by.
I heard
Oh,
Buddy shut the field down, but it was wide open.
Field. I've seen some sketchy spots up here that are just like all water, so just gotta be careful. I think in here, it's probably still like the ground has got warm water in it. Maybe out further, like on the lake, it's probably a little colder.
You got that little groomer.
Yeah, I know.
You need the right sled for that.
On the phone.
BK 540.
Well, we were just on the trail and we ran into my brother Nigel, so we're just chit-chatting. His machine's a little more updated. Let's take a look. What kind of sled is that, Nigel?
Well, it's a XF 6000, 600 cc's, cross country.
Cool.
It's got a 144-inch track on it and 1.75-inch lugs. And yeah,
This is the old Saber Cat. What do you think, Titus? Keep going? Alright, let's keep going. We've got sausages to cook up.
yeah, I turned that off on you.
There you go. Pop it up and then turn it.
You got her. Yeah, turn the key now.
Sometimes when you're out snowmobiling, you just come across people's cabins. You know, we'll show some respect. We're not going to go inside or anything, but we'll just explore. People usually have some creative stuff around. It's pretty well built looking. I think we'll just sit down and have a break. We found this big icicle. Let's see if I can get it off.
Hey, you give it to me.
This icicle looks like a cool sword. Well, I hope you guys are learning some stuff about the life on the Cranberry farm. When I started this channel, that was my prerogative. Not everything is about cranberry harvest. There's a lot that goes into it. The cranberry industry isn't very big. It's actually quite small. There's only a few places in North America that grow it. And so I'm proud to be a part of that group. I do want people to understand what it is that we do.
And it's super sour like lemon.
Yeah. I hope you guys are finding these videos informative. I'm going to be going through the whole year I'd like to show you what it is straight from the beginning. So the sanding was a big part of the beginning of our season, and then we'll be going all the way through the growing season, into harvest, and then right into the winter when we have to put our winter flood on. So stay tuned, make sure you like and subscribe. You're gonna learn a lot, and you'll be able to see the whole season with us. Okay, so what should we do next?
Go cook our food.
You wanna go cook our food?
Yeah,
I think that's a great idea. So let's turn around. I found a good spot down there.
Let's go.
Ready? Up there. Titus and I found a really great spot, so we're gonna get some branches to get this fire going. These old branches, chop them. Yep, this one. Try again.
One. Come on, light.
There you go. Good job, bud. High five.
Pushing over it.
Okay, so we have our fire going. We're gonna keep topping it up. I'm gonna set you guys down. When they start going fast like that, you know it's time to kick them off. Okay, let's cook our food now. Okay, I've got some beautiful sausage here, so I'm going to throw that on the fire. I've got a hot dog for Titus. You have your bun? I got it. Oh, look at all that mustard. There you go.
Oh, it looks so good. Maybe we should drive the snowmobile out at night and drive home.
Ooh, I don't want to go home at night. I want to go home so Mommy's all happy she knows we're safe. Okay, I need to get my sausage off before it burns. Oh yeah, that looks great. Okay, so we have some sauerkraut for this sausage. I'm not sure what you call this, but I think it's like pretty sure it's like a German sausage kind of recipe. There's some more on there. My sauerkraut sausage, I like to use honey mustard and Dijon, but I'm pretty sure this is a mix, so this should work really good.
Hey, Granddad. This is the best time ever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we haven't done this in a while.
No, I know.
This was the best time ever.
I agree. It's a really nice day for it.
You're too slow. Whoa! Hey, Daddy.
Okay, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Titus and I are all done. We're all filled up, and we're heading home. That's it for today, so we'll catch you on the next one.
Like and subscribe!